Today we are going to be looking at the order in which we do our daily activities. And we are going to focus mainly on two words, before or after. Let's start with what we usually do first thing in the morning. Here in this first slide, we can see this girl in the first picture getting ready to brush her teeth. In the second picture, we see her sitting at the table having breakfast. Now, she's telling us, I brush my teeth. I have breakfast. Which word do you think should we use? Before or after? Which action is she doing first? Brushing her teeth or having breakfast? Brushing her teeth, correct. So, I brush my teeth before I have breakfast. Correct. Let's move on to the next situation. Over here we're seeing her dad. He's waking up. In the first picture he's still in bed. And in the second picture he's getting dressed. So, I get dressed before I wake up or after I wake up? Remember, you can even look at the arrow in the middle, which shows us the way the actions took place. So, I get dressed before or after? After I wake up, you are very right. Let's check. There we go. Now we have a gentleman. In the first picture, we are seeing him in his office at work. And in the second picture, he is at home just having finished eating. So, he is telling us, I eat dinner before work or after work? What do you think? I think you're correct. First he went to work and then he went home. He changed and he had dinner. So, I eat dinner after work. Very correct. Our last slide brings along a boy. In the first picture, he is at his desk doing homework. In the second picture, he is playing with his ball. So, he is telling us, I do my homework, I play outside. So, when does he do his homework? Before he plays outside or after he plays outside? He is doing his homework in the first picture. So, that means that he is doing his homework before going to play. You are right. Let us check. Well done. Now, children, here we have Nina. Nina had a very busy day indeed. Okay? And she's going to tell us all about it. So, let's see. She's telling us that first she went to the park. There it is. After lunch, she went to the cinema. So, what can we see in the picture that just popped up? We can see the 3D glasses, the bucket of popcorn, and the drink. So there she was at the cinema. Before the cinema, I went for lunch. Alright, so now. So what did she do first? What did she do next? And finally, where did she go? So let's start again by looking at what she's telling us. So first, I went to the park. So which one of these pictures shows us the park, children? The first one here, there's the climbing frame. Let's see if we are correct. Yes, so first she went to the park. Then Nina's telling us that after lunch, she went to the cinema. After lunch. Before the cinema, she went for lunch. Now over here, we've got the two pictures that show us the cinema and the lunch. Cinema and lunch. So, which one did she do next after the park? Did she go to the cinema before having lunch, or she had lunch before the cinema? Yes, she's telling us that before the cinema I went for lunch. So next, the lunch picture goes down. And finally, she went to the cinema. So at first she went to the park. Next, she went to have lunch before she went to the cinema. Through today's activity, we saw how we use the words before or after to explain the order of our daily routines and the actions that we do. Hope you'll join me next time. Bye for today.